He fakes work about 40 hours a week. Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, I'm here with Chad Anglin. He is our quality manager, and what other title have we given you, Chad?
Operations manager.
Operations manager. That kind of trumps the quality manager. So what we're doing is Chad is putting together a training video showing how you reverse the tongue or the latch of our lock when you put it in a door. And that's always been a little complicated thing for some people. So Chad's going to go step by step and show you how to take the tongue or latch out of the lock, reverse it so it'll work whether you have a left-hand door or a right-hand door. So with all that being said, I'm going to let Chad take it from here, and we'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.